Do you want to protect your document to prevent others from using it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your Word document with a password. Coming up. Hello guys, this is Online Office Teacher, where I help you manage your data and information through online video, just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's get started. So this is the document I want to protect with a password, and haven't opened it. I go over to File, then I click on Save As. Take note, you can protect an existing document with a password or a fresh document with a password. And this is an existing document and the name is Meeting Minutes. For this particular document, it is already saved in the Documents folder, so I just go ahead and select it. And the file name, you enter the name you want to give to your document if you are going to save a fresh document. Next, I go over to Tools, drop down the arrow, then I click on General Options. And this will open up the General Options dialog box. In here, there are so many options you can use in order to protect your document. You can protect it in such a way that users of the document will have to open it with a password, or they will be able to open it by making changes may not be possible if you use the read-only protection. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to protect your document with a password during opening. So in here, under password to open, I enter the password I want to use for my document. If you want, you can also enter password to modify. With this, users of this document will have to enter password twice in order to open the document. But I'll just leave it as this. Then I go ahead and click on OK. So a dialog box will come for me to confirm my password. Then I go ahead and click on OK. Then I go ahead and click on Save. And now my document is protected with a password. So if I close it and go to my Documents folder and locate it, I have the document right here. I go ahead and open it up. You see that I need a password in order to proceed to opening the document. So if I enter maybe a wrong password and click on OK, the password is incorrect. Word cannot open the document. So users of this document will have to get the right password in order to open it. So let me try once again with the correct password. So I've entered in the correct password, then I click on OK, and boom, I'm right there. Perfect. So that's it on how to protect your document with a password. Now if you want to learn how to create this Meeting Minutes template, I have a video link in the description down below that will walk you through step by step as to how to create this for your business. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know. Keep watching, and I will see you in the next one.